fears in our life. Fear about our health. Can I get the malaria? Can I get the dengue? Fear about the career. Okay, how much percentage marks I can get in my graduation? How much percentage marks I can get in our masters? Fear about the money. Can I face the money deficiency? Can I face the debt issue in my career, in my life? There are so many fear factors. So friends, first of all, let's see how to face this fear. Now, you can see that almost 1000 degree Celsius temperature firewalk bed is there. I will be walking on this firewalk bed and we will be seeing that how I am facing this type of fear. What the successful people do? Successful people don't fear about anything. They just focus on what they want in their life. So, let's start with the firewalk. A journey of 1000 miles starts with a single step. Thank you. So friends, we just saw so many people walk on this firewalk bed. So it is the same thing. The firewalk training is the same for our goal. We should always move forward in our life. We should never stop in our life. If I stop on this firewalk bed in between, then I will get burnt. So it is important to continue our life. It is important to continue our efforts till we reach to our goal. Another important part is that if you saw, we did not try very hard to run through this firewalk bed. If I would have tried to run through this firewalk bed with the fear that if I did not run, I will get injury on my leg. So I did not run, but I move ahead with a steady pace. Again, it is very much important in our life to move ahead with a steady step. Another thing is that I was not looking at this bed while walking on this bed, because I was associating this with some kind of pleasure. I was associating this, okay, my video will get shoot, then people will get motivated, or I will get some compliments from my friends. That sort of thinking I was doing. So I was doing in my mind, so that my mind was not deflected due to that fear of that injury. So the fear was removed by some other thoughts, other positive thoughts which were going in my mind. Next particular thing is that whatever limitations are there, those limitations are only in our mind and not in practical life. There were people that, okay, I cannot walk on this firewalk bed, but once they saw other people walking, they also walk on this particular firewalk bed, confident. So this is all about that firewalk activities which we conduct in corporates, which we conduct in public domains, in our public workshops, which we conduct in our outbound training programs. Nelson Mandela says, it always seems impossible until it is finally done. So walking on this firewalk was seeming impossible to many people, but finally they did it and they could believe in themselves. These firewalk activities and such kind of, we conduct glasswalk activities, this increases our confidence level, this removes our fear factor, this gives us self-conviction, this gives us motivation to move ahead in the life. So those kind of benefits are there for those thrilling activities. So you can join us, Share Skills Center for Training and Transformation. You can join us, you can attend our public and corporate workshops. You can come for our outbound training program for such kind of thrilling activities. Thank you very much. Keep hopes alive.